Ba-da-bum. Hello, beautiful people, future me. Welcome to another programming workout of mine. And we will be doing, a programming workout. Typing at first, and then we will see. So, I will start the timer. Okay. What do we have? 3%, that's nice. Mode, it's not node, okay. What do you get? 7%, okay. This we will do this guy now. And somewhere, hopefully, the IntelliJ will open. Okay. It's not opening. Okay, let's go. 1:49 and we are on time. Okay, cool. So we stop this timer and I will continue with this guy, I think, but I will check execute program. Since I'm paying for that, I need to cancel that subscription since I've done all of that. All of the courses and I'm paying for it still. That's 20 bucks. 20 bucks goes away. Okay, so we have something in here. Fulfilled with value 5, attach a dot then callback that doesn't return anything. Okay, so then like so. Then like this. I put the token where? Okay, so maybe like this. Load. SQL and TypeScript. Function to find all the names of all toys owned by certain cat. Oh, fuck, I don't know it well, so it will be select and we want what name? So toys dot name and we will do this guy from cats join toys on cats dot id equals toys dot cat id. Where cats dot name equals question mark, I think. And now we will pass in the cat name. And it was in those, right? And we will assign it to toy names equals return all toy names and observe the errors which we have. Type error. Well, we can do it the other way around, and that would be exec, and this will be select, select, da, 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 name from toys, const all cats. I feel stupid again. Oh, and I didn't start the timer. I lost 5 minutes. That's okay. 5 minutes is okay. Cannot read property includes of undefined. Psst, what? All time. Oh, shoot. Okay. So you will look like this. Assignment. Yeah. What? Name Berto. Oh, cool. So. Dot name. This kind of works, which is fine. What was the error I had previously? Oh, the comma. I didn't have the comma in here, but now. Can do it like this, but it's probably not. Oh, finish. And then we have this guy, TypeScript. Names, string, everybody. What do I do? Unsold names, push 5. It is a string. Names. Oh, and now the names will have that in it. Amir, Betty, 5. Yeah, that's it. Now we have our string names 2, so that will be 0, 1, 2, so it will be undefined. And we finish. Oh, type widening. We've seen many examples of type inference in the past lessons. For example, if we assign true to a variable, then its type is inferred as a boolean. Assign true to a variable, then its type is inferred as boolean. Yep. Okay, so this will be false. TypeScript allowed us to assign false to a bool, so we know that its type must be boolean rather than the literal type true. But why isn't its type true? We assigned true to a variable, so it seems like its inferred type should be true. What we are seeing here is a quality of life feature in TypeScript. TypeScript help us out by widening the inferred type in some situations, including this one. When we assign true or false to a variable, TypeScript widen its type to Boolean, since that's usually what we want. Same happens for strings. We assign a, and for numbers, I guess, as well. Likewise for number. We assign 5 to a variable, we probably want to be inferred type number. Yep. So this will be okay. Yeah, it will be like so. And this will be just 6. Type widening is very convenient most of the time. Unfortunately, there are some cases where it causes type errors. Here's an example where type widening causes a type error. So we have a type user. We have a kind. Kind is a user in quotes. Then we have a function username, which returns user's name. Okay. And we have a user. The kind is user, and name is Amir, but it will be string because it's not defined as the type, right? The user, so you think that the kind field here in a string, so this will be type error. Fortunately for us, the user variable type was inferred. Was inferred as kind string names string. We are trying to pass it as a user with a narrower type of kind user name string. That's a type error. Here are two possible solutions here. One is to explicitly declare our variable as const user. That works, but can be inconvenient in more complex situation. Why? The other solution is a asconst. Asconst. When we append asconst to any value, TypeScript won't widen its type out. For example, if we assign true asconst to a variable, its type will be true. So trying to assign false later will cause a type error. So this will be type error. Asconst applies to the entire expression, including values inside of it. For example, if an entire object is asconst, types of its properties will also be asconst. We'll get a type error when trying to assign any type other than the inferred literal type. That's what we just did. So this will work. So be petty, but this will not. This code contains a type error because the kind properties type is bident to string. Use ascons to prevent widening, allowing us to pass the mirror object as an argument. As const. Show authors. Oh, it's exact. It's exactly the same. Type widening and as const might seem esoteric at first glance, but they come up surprisingly often in real TypeScript code. They are especially common in code that uses many discriminated union types. I would like to see that examples. Why do I have to wait? Supplemental. These articles are necessary to complete any of lessons, but you might find them useful to progress through how to install TypeScript, how to use how to convert string into a number in TypeScript. Okay. So if I reload this, they will be in waiting column. Okay. Now I can open my project in here and we will do method local. Do the method local. Okay. Will be like gazillion. Oh, here we go. Method local inner class. That's what I am doing. So inner classes, so that will be inner classes, non-static nested classes. So this will be method local inner class. And I will create. Oh fuck. Come on. This is too wide. Here I want to create a class. And it will be fuck, I don't know what is it. Oh, free, okay. Java class, all free, paste, bam. Okay. So first we will read it. So in Java we can write class within a method, and this will be a local type, like local variables. The scope of inner class is restricted within the method. A method local inner class can be instantiated only within the method where the inner class is defined. The following program shows how to use a method local inner class. So we have author class, and that encloses everything in here as I see. then closes everything in here. Then we have the method that goes here, and then we have defined the inner class. It has something in it, and then we just create it just by new, and that's it. You don't do outer class, inner class, you just do method inner. And then we just, okay. And it has access to here. Okay. Okay, let's go. So there will be, I will have, they just did number in the method, but I will do int outer class num int equals 1 and public void method takes no arguments, and here we will have the thing. So first we will be class inner method class, and there will be public void print. I will take no parameters, and we say so inner method class print, and here we will say outer class int and here we will have int method int equals to, I'll duplicate this maybe if the IntelliJ lets me, and here I will say method int method, and here we go. And then we will have public static void main, and here I will do, oh, I need to call it in here, so we will do new inner method class, extract it to a variable, a class, yeah, method doesn't matter, inner method class dot print, so we'll use it. Oh, it goes gray, and now it's yellow. It goes gray, and now it's yellow. Okay, and here we will say new local class extracted. If I do, oh, I can make it static. This public static. What's the problem? Not all. Okay, like that. I will say I'll say free dot method, and if I run it, that should produce. Should produce the thing, all the things. Okay, so we have a print 1, 2. Okay, cool. So that works also. What do we have next? we have anonymous inner class. Okay. So for anonymous inner class, now we will read. An inner class declared without a class name is known as anonymous inner class. In case of anonymous inner classes, we declare and instantiate them at the same time. Generally, they are used whenever you need to override a method of a class or an interface. The syntax of an anonymous inner class is as follows. So we just create it. New anonymous inner, and then okay, so it is, we don't say class or whatever, we just say new, and there's a parameter and then curly braces, and there is, then it is the same as when I would create a class or define the class. Right here I did say that class and blah blah blah. So this inside of this thing would go in here like so. Okay, and he's doing what? Abstract class anonymous inner. So here he has the definition, and I thought you can do just that. They are used whenever. Okay, so we have, so here we are overriding it. Can I do it without this thing? Let's try that. So I will have some back in here. So this will be probably static void main, and in here we will say new mouse like so. It has to be some, okay. So that apparently, okay, maybe that works. And what's the problem in here? What do you say? Cannot resolve anonymous. Yeah, so I need to have it. So I will say public abstract non. Can I do like say implement create a class? Oh, cool. Create a class and destination in. Oh fuck. Okay, so go back. Yes. Can I do it in here? Like create inner. Oh, create inner class anonymous. Great. But I did not want it to be the inner class. Maybe I want to create interface, create inner class, create class. What about the interface? Okay. Mouse class class. Here will be the definition. What's the problem? It cannot be public. There cannot be two public things, two public classes. Okay, and here we will have public print takes, I think. What's the problem? Return type, public, void, print, maybe like this. Illegal type, why? Public abstract has to be public abstract void, abstract method in non-abstract class. How the, okay. How it works. So we have a new anonymous, and we will say here print public void print, or maybe I can use the power of IntelliJ and press Alt Enter in here, implement methods. Yes, this guy. Note. Anonymous. Oh, where written print, and I can say here just okay. Print and run it. That's bullshit. We got the output. And we are also over the time, which means we are done. Done is better than perfect. I'll see you next time. Oh, hold on. Go here. Now we can finish it. Okay. See you. Bye bye.